The crypto coin outperforming Bitcoin is about to see supply reduced, coming via Bloomberg. Was that good enough for you, that transition right there?
Sure. Yeah. Crypto.
The proposal has been approved to destroy some Ether used in transactions. Ether has gained 536% in the past year, which is more than Bitcoin, believe it or not, which seems crazy because Bitcoin has been out of control. This move reduces the amount of outstanding Ether by destroying some of the tokens every time it is used to fuel transactions. On the world's most used blockchain, this proposal, by the way, EIP 1559, solves the problem of users not being able to estimate how much Ether is needed for transactions to be processed. Of course, it's controversial because miners have their own opinion on such a thing, worried they're going to be cut out or at least not earn as much. But there's all kinds of aspects to this very complex considerations on either side. And the idea here is to reward those that hold such a currency. And if you or not a currency, asset, I don't know what you want to call it. Call it whatever you want to call it.
Okay. Ether.
And then by burning it off, you're effectively taking all kinds out of circulation, therefore even further encouraging those that hold it to continue to hold it because they keep seeing it go up in value. So I don't know, maybe the last group from the previous article is sitting there reading this stuff and saying, you know what? We should have a little bit of that. But it is interesting, these companies holding. Tesla purchasing, I don't remember what it was, 1.5 billion, preparing themselves and saying, you know what? If we're going to have all this cash sitting around, maybe we're going to put it over here.
Sure. Yeah.
But I know you were curious. You were sitting there thinking, wait a sec, it outperformed Bitcoin. Apparently, I feel like I got to give you the spec on that because you seem very concerned over there. In the same period of time, Bitcoin is up 430% and Ether has risen 560% in that time period. So both obviously huge rises, but
yeah.
I saw you got very concerned there.
No, I'm good.